we are going to perform Innocent Happiness. So today is a union of old mates. They met as strangers and ended up being friends. Class of 2016 is going to meet up once again to reminisce their past with whom they learnt life's true games. These were a bunch of kids who knew real meaning of happiness. They knew the key and it came easily to them. They stood there and got lost down the memory lane where airplanes were made of paper and music was in the air. They danced their heart out and madness was everywhere. Gravity was defined by pushing someone on ground and Newton's laws of attraction had their own jingat ways. Some are lawyers, some are architects, some are doctors, some are businessmen, and some are big choice one people. But today they meet again, once again, as old school friends to recreate true meaning of happiness. To recreate true meaning of happiness. All right, class. Good morning. Sit down. So, today we are going to learn laws of gravity. Rohin, can you help me with this, please? Thank you. Who wants to be Newton? You don't want to be Newton? You are Newton today. Okay. So now let's pretend this is an apple tree. So the apple falls from the tree. Okay? So what falls from the tree? Apple. What falls from the tree? Guys, we are in competition. What falls from the tree? Rohin, you are eating an apple? You guys are idiots!
दगड सूर्य दगड 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 तारे दगड पृथ्वी दगड 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 सूर्य दगड तारे दगड पृथ्वी दगड इथे उल्का दगड ग्रॅव्हिटीचा जोर दगड दगड सूर्य दगड तारे दगड पृथ्वी दगड इथे उल्का दगड ग्रॅव्हिटीचा जोर
तुझ्या नावाचं मी मिशेल त्यातून गोंधळ
आता उतावीळ झालो गुडगा बाशिंग बांधल तुझ्या नावाचं मी मिशेल त्यातून गोंधल हात भरून आलो या
हात भरून आलो या लई दुरून आलो या आणि करून दाढी भारी परफ्यूम मारून आलो या
आग संध्या परत लय जोरात रंगात आलो या
झाले
समजा गावाला झाली माझ्या लग्नाची आई कधी म्हणणार तू राणी माझ्या लेकराची आई
समजा गावाला झाली या माझ्या लग्नाची घाई कधी म्हणणार तू राणी माझ्या लेकराची आई आता तारट झालूया
आता तारट झालूया तुझ्या घरात आलूया लई फिरून बांधावरून कल्टी मारून आलो या
आगडींच्या जोरात टेकलो वरात दारात आलो या झालंय